In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a music player to Notion. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity with a soothing playlist or want to share a favorite song with colleagues, integrating music within your Notion workspace can make a delightful addition. Let's dive in to see how easily this can be accomplished. First, go ahead and open Spotify on either your app or the web browser. This is where we're going to start because Spotify offers a vast library of music, and we'll be using it to find the tune or playlist you wish to embed in your Notion page. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to do so. Once you've got Spotify opened and have found the song, album, or playlist you want to share, look for the three dots located next to it. In Spotify, these dots are a gateway for various options related to the track or playlist, including the one we need today. By clicking on these three dots, you'll see a menu drop down. You're going to select the Share option from this list. It's typically towards the middle of the menu, and upon clicking it, a new submenu will appear. In this submenu, you'll notice several options for sharing. The one you're interested in is either labeled as Embed Track or Embed Playlist, depending on what you're planning to share, a single song or an entire playlist. Choose the appropriate option for your needs. After selecting Embed Track or Embed Playlist, Spotify will generate a special link for you to use. This is the link you need to integrate the music player into Notion. Simply copy this embed link to your clipboard. You'll need it for the next step. Now, switch over to Notion. Within your Notion page, find the spot where you'd like to insert your music player. If this is new for you, embedding is as simple as adding a new block in your Notion document. Start by typing in embed, which is a quick command for adding any embed content you want. Once you've typed embed, Notion will prompt you to provide a link. This is where you paste the embed link you copied from Spotify. After you have pasted the link, you simply hit enter. By doing so, Notion processes the command and, as if by magic, a mini Spotify player appears directly on your page. This feature allows you and anyone else with access to the page to play, pause, and navigate through the song or playlist right from within Notion itself. And there you have it. You now have a fully functional music player embedded within your Notion workspace. This addition can transform the way you use Notion, adding a layer of ambience or background music to enhance productivity or make collaborations more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Notion soundscape.